Hi, family. How's everybody doing today? Happy Friday to you all. I hope everyone is having a very great day. So, guys, I don't want this video to be long, so I guess we're gonna just sit here and talk for a second. But I'm gonna answer some of you guys' questions and things like that. And I'm gonna show you some stuff that I'm working on. And what else we're gonna do today? I'm gonna show you something that I'm working on. Then I'll give y'all like a recap of the last video y'all seen. I'm trying to remember what it was. Guys, so guess what? We have no chairs. There's no chairs here. So I'm kind of sad a little bit, but I do know that there is something in the making pretty soon. So I'm just gonna leave it there. And then you guys know, you already know, I will bring you guys along for whatever the situation may be. So recap on the other video, someone was asking me, I think it was Shara. I think it's Charlotte O'Hara, I think. Am I right? Give me a thumbs up in the comments. You were asking me what was the 3 E's. What was the 4 E's? It wasn't 4 E's, it was 4 R's. I think it was R's. So it was restore, reveal, reveal. I'm getting confused again. Restore, reveal, remove, and expose. So it is 1 E. 3 R's and 1 E. So the E is expose, reveal, rebuke, and remove. Okay, so that's what that was. And just say it every day along with a prayer. If you pray every day, just say that along with that to do those 4 things. And let me know as time goes on, what happens. Do you feel any better? Do you see anything unfolding? Are you starting to see more clear, or things start coming to you? Things like that. So yeah. What else was what was I talking about? I think that's it, y'all. I think that's it. But I'm trying to finish up my oatmeal. It is around like 4:40 or something, and I'm gonna leave back out. So I said, why not get on and talk to my YouTube family until I get ready to go. So let me just go ahead and show y'all my empty space, okay? That's the first thing we're gonna do, because I don't have no I have no chairs. Ooh, what are you gonna do? Ooh. Y'all, OOTD. It's cold in here, guys. It's cold. It's cold. Just my regular smegular. Somebody was saying, one of y'all said in the comments too, ain't no such word as modern? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? There is a such word as modern, okay? Okay? Such word is modern, all right? Ooh, she's looking a little. But anyway, guys, back to what I was saying. Y'all know what? Wait a minute. Back to what I was saying. There is a such word as modern anyway. But guys, look. Table's gone. She's gone. They're gone. They're gone. So yeah. Okay. So let me get to what I'm trying to tell y'all. Okay. Shasha, I think I answered your question. And then I'm trying to think of somebody else. Oh, Hedgehog. You were asking me, where do I get my style from? And I'm going to tell you. I get my style from whatever I'm feeling at the moment, whatever vibrations, whatever mood I'm in, whatever like draws me that I get a feel for. It'll probably start off like with one thing. It could start off like with a wood item. And then I'll start seeing other things, with the wood item. So, trying to chew my raisins up. So it'll start off with a wood item, and then it could be like a ceramic dish or something, and that will capture it'll just start pulling on me. So that's where that comes from, and that's how I ended up with the mid-century modern. Thanks, naturally gifted mid-century modern table here. She's so pretty, y'all. She's so pretty. So it doesn't stop there. I am going to be getting a new baby here. Yes, I am. I'm going to go for like something lighter, and I'm going to go for like a not a sectional, but like a what do you call those things? I'm going to go for a love seat. That's what I'm going to go for. It holds 3 people, so yeah. So I'll bring you guys along for that in another video, but that is where I get my style from. So I'm trying to think what in the world else that I was trying to show you guys. I can't even remember. Geesh. So, yeah. Okay, so this is what I was trying to say. I had to back up, y'all. I have to get myself together because I get excited. I get excited about house stuff. So anyway, I know it's material stuff, but I still get excited. But anyway, I'm going to change out all the curtains, which I already did most of them. I think you guys, right here, you guys see I changed out these 2 white. I got white cotton ones here, and I have the 2 white cotton ones here. We're going to keep these unless I find some more white cotton ones. And you can use plants, guys, too, as as side tables. You don't have to have. You do not have to buy side tables. You can just put you some really nice big plants there, and that'll be your focal point, and that'll be your side table. So that's another tip from me to you, okay? So yeah, I'm changing out all the drapes. I did do this canvas over, and I added black to it, and I took away the navy blue. I also found this, guys, not that long ago. I just didn't want to show it to you, but I'm showing it to you now. This is from CB2, and it was actually like a mint green looking color, like I'm gonna say like a sage green color. I spray painted it matte black, and then I inside sprayed it with the gold color. And like I said, it was I don't know if you guys can see right there, CB2. It says $4, so it was half of $4. So I done that. The canvas, I put those white flowers right there, and I'm trying to think what else. Oh, right here. I end up moving this vase that was down the hall on that shelf that I made. I put this vase here. I think it looks better. It hides the white cord right here. So I did that for that reason. And over here, it still looks the same. It's just, not the, has the pampas grass in there. So that's how that looks now. I like the clean concept, y'all. I love clean concept, clean lines like this. Just clean. You just see it, and that's it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. I'm going for a more modern, mid-century vibration in my home. So I need one more circle gold mirror because it's going to go back there by the wall. And yeah, so let me go ahead and show you guys what I am, what I'm working on. Okay, we got to go down the hallway because I had to open the door. All right, y'all, we are outside. Don't worry, please don't pay attention to all my little spray paint and stuff. But I bought this canvas today, actually, when I got off work. I bought this canvas from Goodwill, and if you can see, it has like writing through here. It's like a map. It was a map or something. So I sprayed it with the rest of the gold paint I had. Then I spray painted matte. So I'm going to finish it with some more color. And it was $6 with 35% off. So that's what I'm working on now. All right, let me close this door. So yeah, guys, I sprayed it with this leftover metallic gold-like spray and this matte black color. So all those are empty. So yeah, this is how it looks now, and then I'm going to show y'all what colors I'm going to incorporate with it. All right, y'all, so these are the colors that I'm going to be using right here for the project. I'm going to be using this grayish color, this white, and probably some more of this black. I do have leftover there's leftover gray inside of here as well. So yeah, leftover gray there, because I did do my pumpkins over, y'all, because they didn't match. There's no more bling going on in the house, so I had to change that. So guys, I am going to be doing that canvas over, and once I'm done, I'm going to bring you guys the finished product. If I get done with it, I'll put it in this video here. So yeah, let me know what y'all think about all the changes and what I've decided to do, what kind of style and vibrations I'm going for in my home. So guys, I will see y'all in another video. Thank you for coming along today. Thank you for thanks for coming along my journey. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys, I'll see you. Bye. Guys, I had to come back real quick because I forgot to tell y'all. That picture is going in the bathroom. So yeah, expect new changes in the bathroom as well. I just got to look for like one more thing, and then I think I will be basically almost done in there. So like I said, old house, I wanted to leave stuff that was at the old house at the old house. This is a new home. So if all of you are new, this is why I chose to sell out all half of my stuff. Y'all, I forgot to tell y'all too. Your friend, your YouTube sister made $500 cash. Yes, for selling most of her mirrored stuff, pillows, a lot of things, lamps. Yes, so yeah. I'll see y'all in the next video, but I forgot to tell y'all that she's doing an updated bathroom. So y'all, I'll see y'all in the next one, and then stay tuned for the canvas. All right.